Where's the worms? You got stuck already? Wow, Aaron got stuck already. What up, guys? Let's look at Aaron getting stuck already, guys. Over here. He's already getting stuck over here, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Let's see if we could catch anything over here. We're over here creek fishing today. Over here in Camarillo with Aaron. We have Aaron this time. We got my nephew Aaron this time. Let's get this, guys. Let's see if we catch anything. Oh! Oh, it's a big bass! Oh! Check that out. It's a big bass.
Does it go all the way over there?
Huh? Oh yeah, guys. We got a bass. Pretty big too. One of the biggest ones right here, bro.
Like a 10-pounder.
This is a big. This is probably one of the mamas right here. Mama, Papa. Oh shit. Oh. You guys saw him? Woo! We got one, guys. One big one too. Saw that, Maury? That's right, guys. That's how we do it. Let's get another one. Let's get another one. We got a fish. A big fish, actually. Higher. That was a big fish. Got him right here. Right here. Right there. I got him right there, guys. Big one too. Second spot, guys. Second spot. Third spot, actually. It's a little swampy, but we might get something. We might get something in the swampy water right here, guys. Got him! Oh! Got him! I got a bass! Oh yeah! There we go, guys. We got the bass. Oh shit! They poked me. Oh, number 2, guys. We got the bass. Let's see him fly. Whoa! Number 2, Aaron. Second cast too. A little deeper over here, guys.
They're called bass. I forgot what
Shit. Let's see where this takes us to. I said, let's see where this takes us to. There's another body of water over here. What?
Right here.
Okay.
Oh my god, cast it.
Let's see what's on this side.
Huh?
A bunch of fish. Oh! See that?
No. I see a frog.
That black thing. That's a frog?
There's a big frog there.
Ah, fuck. Let's go. Ripped it. Yeah.
Never mind.
Oh shit. I did it.
Got it out.
Nice. Let's go. We didn't catch anything on that side. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, guys. Catch you guys on next time.
Peace.
It was me and Aaron this time. See you guys later.